Hello, I'm Lorne Whitehead at the HIBAR Research Alliance. In this short video, I'll answer the question, what is HIBAR research? HIBAR is an acronym that stands for Highly Integrative, Basic, and Responsive, and it is a way to describe research projects. A research project can be thought of as a coordinated set of research activities. These projects typically have one or more principal investigators, and they involve multiple participants, and also they follow a multi-year project plan. And of course, HIBAR research is work that is done within HIBAR research projects. So the best way to describe a HIBAR research project is to talk about how we can classify research projects in general. Picture a large number of projects of all different types. Here we show about a dozen shapes that represent different research projects. As an example, consider the classification shown in this diagram. In this case, projects whose purpose is the discovery of new knowledge are contained within this shaded rectangle. Let's look at another example of classifying projects depending on their purpose. Here, the shaded rectangle identifies projects whose purpose is public impact, that is, addressing a problem in society. If we consider both of these purposes together, some projects are in the overlap region. That is, they have a dual purpose of both the discovery of new knowledge and of public impact. This overlap region has various names, with the most common name being use-inspired basic research. In addition to classifying projects by their purpose, we can also classify them according to who are the key decision makers, or who is on the leadership team for the project. One category is projects led by academics. Another category is projects led by people in society who are not academics. Importantly, some projects are within the overlap region, where the leadership team includes both academics and people in society. Together, they make the required decisions, including the goals and direction of the project and the research methods that are used. Let's remove the icons now and show all four of these classifications at the same time. This is a conceptual diagram only. The relative size of each overlap region is not intended to be representative of the relative contribution of that form of research to the overall research ecosystem, and not every overlap zone accurately depicts a specific form of research. However, this depiction helps to illustrate key characteristics of many types of research projects. I'd now like to highlight a few regions of this diagram. The bottom diagram describes basic research projects led by academics. These types of projects are carried out within all areas of the research ecosystem, including government laboratories, corporations, and universities. Within universities, they are often thought of as traditional academic research projects. Projects in the top diamond region of the diagram are research, development, and innovation projects not involving academic leadership. These are more typical of research projects carried out by corporations and government, focused primarily on public impact. The white diamond in the center describes HIBAR projects, which have all four of the classification characteristics: the dual purposes of new knowledge discovery and public impact, and the dual leadership by academics and people in society. They are described by the acronym HIBAR because they are highly integrative. These projects deeply integrate different motivations, methods, and participants. And basic and responsive because they embrace the academic character and purpose of basic research while being responsive to public need. This category of research projects is important because the result of deeply integrating these characteristics is synergy. Synergy that accelerates knowledge creation and generates better solutions. Here's why these integrations are so potent. One aspect relates to the shared leadership by people in academia and society working in a trusted, equitable partnership. The diverse perspectives they bring to the project mean that together they make wiser decisions about the direction, participants, and activities within the project, from the start and throughout. Another aspect relates to the integrated purposes of seeking new knowledge and addressing a problem in society. Together, these purposes lead project teams, informed by the context of the societal challenge, to draw from a wider set of knowledge and skills, and to combine problem-solving methods of both prescriptive and creative types. Sustained urgency is a hallmark of a HIBAR project. Team members are passionate about addressing the societal problems as quickly as possible, while recognizing that building the required fundamental understanding takes time. In short, the inherent synergy in HIBAR projects accelerates knowledge creation and generates better solutions. This makes them a valuable component of the greater research ecosystem, and one that the HIBAR Research Alliance is seeking to encourage. Thank you. For more information about HIBAR research and the work of the HIBAR Research Alliance, please visit our website at hibar-research.org.